trick to installing spindles is to clean with rubbing alcohol inside, and these you don't want any oil on the bolts. And then when you stick it on, jam it on there, and it should stay. If the bolt spins when you try to tighten it down, you can put a stack of washers on there, tighten it lightly, and then take the bolt off, and then try to put the bolt on again and hope it doesn't spin. And you're going to torque these to 27 foot-pounds. And then you're going to ride it and then recheck it later. And then the same with the top. Don't over tighten them, and if they're nice and clean, you shouldn't need any C-clamps or anything to put them on. And that's it. Over here we got the brake line. You bend it over like this and you tighten it so they stick out that way.